Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's A to Z guarantee. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll explore how to effectively use Amazon's A to Z guarantee, a valuable tool for handling customer claims and ensuring satisfaction. The A to Z guarantee protects customers and sellers by covering issues related to product quality, delivery, and service. Here's a step-by-step guide to navigating and utilizing this feature. Start by accessing the A to Z guarantee claims. Go to the hamburger menu in the top left corner of your Seller Central dashboard. From there, select Performance, and then choose A to Z guarantee claims. This is where you can view and manage claims filed by customers. When a customer files an A to Z guarantee claim, you'll receive a notification in this section. Click on the claim to review the details, including the reason for the claim and any customer comments. It's important to address these claims promptly to maintain good standing and customer satisfaction. Next, gather all relevant information related to the claim. This might include order details, shipping information, and any communication with the customer. Provide a clear and thorough response to Amazon, addressing the issue and offering any solutions or resolutions. If the claim is valid and requires action, Amazon may ask you to provide a refund or replacement. Follow the instructions provided to resolve the issue. If you disagree with the claim or believe it is unjustified, you can present evidence to support your case. Keep track of all A to Z guarantee claims and their resolutions. Regularly review this section to ensure you're staying on top of any issues and to learn from past claims. This can help you improve your service and reduce the likelihood of future claims. By effectively managing A to Z guarantee claims, you can protect your seller account, enhance customer satisfaction, and ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.